This video walks through the steps needed to access the SCD effect size calculator through RStudio on a Windows computer. If you already have R and RStudio installed, then you can open RStudio and skip ahead to the RStudio Setup. First, I'm going to install R via cran.r-project.org. I will find the Download and Install R section and select the Download for My Computer software. Here, I'm using a Windows computer, so I select Download R for Windows and then select Install R for the first time. I want to access the latest version of R, so I can click on r-4.2.1.package for Windows, which will automatically download the installer for R onto my computer. Once the download is complete, opening the installer will bring me through a set of installation instructions as follows. I will not change the default for any of these selections, but you can pause and make changes for language, destination location, components to be installed, and startup options if needed. I will select Next, then Next through the two information sections, Next for the destination location, hit Next for the components to be installed section, and Next for the startup options, Start menu folder selection, and additional tasks. R will now install onto my computer. I will now download RTools using cran.r-project.org/bin/windows/RTools. Here I can click on RTools 4.2 and then click on the link for the RTools 42 installer. Opening the installer brings us through a set of installation instructions as follows. I can change the destination location if needed, then click Next. Click Next through the additional tasks, and then click to install. RTools is now installed on my computer. Next, I'm going to install RStudio via rstudio.com/products/RStudio/download. Scrolling down to the RStudio desktop gives us the Download RStudio for Windows choice selection, which automatically uploads the installer. Clicking on the download opens the installer, and I can press Next to continue, select a location to install and click Next, choose a Start menu folder, and then select Install. Now RStudio is installing onto my computer, and I can click Finish to complete the installation process. Once RTools, and RStudio are downloaded, I need to open RStudio and install several packages in order to run the effect size calculator. On the left side of RStudio is my console, where I use the install.packages command to run the following. First, I need to install .packages for DevTools, then SourceTools, then Shiny, then Markdown, then ggplot2, then RClipboard, then Kendall, and finally for single case ES. Now that all packages are installed, I just need two last commands to get it up and running. A note here, next time you want to access the effect size calculator, this is all you'll need to do. Just type the following, library single case ES to load the single case ES package, and SCD _effect_sizes to open and use the web app. And then the calculator pops up in a new tab of the web browser. Here, I can look at the About page to view the acknowledgments and citation for this calculator. The Accessing the Calculator tab has written instructions for this installation process. Using the single series and multiple series calculator tabs have videos and written instructions for using the calculators. And the Example Data tab has references for the example data sets that are used in the multiple series calculator. To access the single series and multiple series calculators, I can click on their individual pages at the top of the screen. Once I'm done using the calculator, I can close the calculator window, Or I can select this red stop icon in the upper right-hand corner of the RStudio, which will also stop the app.